Hi friends, welcome to Riha Craft. Today I am ready to show you ice stick key hold. Let's see what we will need. Some ice stick and some color stone, black thread, fabric paint, one brush, toothpick and heat gun with glue. First we have to fix the ice stick with glue. More 2 ice stick and cut like this. Now we have to fix it with glue. We fix it with glue. Now we have to again fix with glue. We fix that 4 pieces here. Now we have to take more 2 stick. We have to fix it with glue. Take more 1 ice stick and add glue and fix it in center. Finally it's look like. Now we ready to color it. We finished the color now. Now we ready to make a decor with color stone. Take a heat gun, add some glue. We finished the key holder. Thank you for watching. See you soon with my new craft.